How much do Amazon warehouse worker make in the UK? Pay breakdown. Ever wonder how Amazon warehouse worker really earn in the UK? Whether you're thinking about applying for a role or just curious about the pay structure, benefits, and how much you take home, this video will break it all down. From hourly wages to bonuses and shift differentials. We'll cover everything you need to know. And so, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is the base pay. What's the standard hourly wage? So basically, as of the moment, the data suggests that Amazon warehouse workers in the UK typically earn around 11.80 to 13.50 pounds per hour for the standard shifts. Higher rates in London or high demand locations can go ahead and make it up to 14.75 pounds per hour. Now, the base pay depends on your location, the type of your shift, it could be day, night, or weekends, and the experience of or length of your service. Amazon increases pay periodically, and rates may vary depending on economic conditions and minimum wage adjustments. So let's talk about the night and weekend shift bonuses. To encourage flexible scheduling, Amazon offers shift differentials. Now for the night shift, it's typically between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. It can go ahead and raise the pay for up to £1 to £2 per hour. The weekend shifts like Saturdays and Sunday can raise it up to £0.50 to £1.50 per hour depending on demand. This means that a night shift in a high demand city could pay for up to £16 per hour. From there, let's talk about the overtime pay. Amazon UK offers enhanced pay for overtime. Over 40 hours per week is basically 1.25 times the base rate. During peak periods like Black Friday, Prime Days, or Christmas, overtime rates may go up to 1.5 times or include additional bonuses for completing full weeks. For example, the base pay is going to be £13 per hour. The overtime will go ahead and take you to 16.25 to 19.50 pounds per hour depending on your shift and demand. Overtime is usually voluntary, but can fill up fast, especially around holidays. From there, let's then talk about the weekly pay, how it's paid and tracked. Amazon warehouse workers in the UK are typically paid weekly or bi-weekly depending on sites. Payments go directly into your bank account. You can basically track your hours, upcoming pay, and bonuses using the Amazon internal A to Z application, digital pay stubs, and SMS email notification. Now, this pay statement includes gross pay, deductions like the national insurance, pension contributions, and etc., and the net take home. Now, let's also talk about the perks, benefits, and extra incentives. Now, aside from the hourly pay, Amazon offers full-time and part-time workers. Now, for paid breaks, it's around 20 to 30 minutes for every 6-hour shift. You have a staff discount for up to 10% off up to €1,000 or pounds per year. You then have sick pay after probation, holiday pay, which is going to be 28 days prorated, and you have pension contributions, life insurance, and maternity and paternity leave. Some site also offers free on-site parking, subsidized canteens, access to mental health and wellness services. From there, let's then navigate through the seasonal bonuses and incentives. Basically, during peak hiring seasons, especially in Q4, Amazon often offers sign-on bonuses for up to £500 to £1,500 depending on your region. You have referral bonuses, which is going to go ahead and range from £200 to £1,000 for referring a friend. And you have the stay bonuses if you stay the full contract term. For example, you might join a Christmas contract and earn £13 per hour base plus 1.50 for your night shifts plus 1,000 sign up bonus paid in installments, and lastly 500 stay bonus after 12 weeks. Now, let's then navigate through the weekly and monthly take-home pay examples. So example 1, you have day shift, 40 hours a week in Birmingham. So you have the 12 hours per or the £12 per hour times 40, it's going to be around £480 gross per week. After tax or the national insurance, it's going to go ahead and take you around £400 to £420 net per week. Now the monthly is going to be 1,600 to 1,700 take home. For the second example, it's going to be night shift, 48 hours plus bonus plus overtime in London. Now the base pay is going to be $14 or £14 per hour plus the £2 night shift bonus equals £16 per hour. Once again, it's going to be 14 plus 2 for the night shift and the London location. Now for 40 hours at £16, it will take you around £640. Now the 8-hour overtime at 1.25% or 1.25 times, it's going to be £200. The weekly gross is going to be 840. The net after deductions is going to be 680 to 700 pounds per week. And per month, it's going to take you around 2,700 to 2,800 take home. This is why many chooses night or weekend shifts. The bonus really adds up. Now, lastly, how to go ahead and maximize earnings at Amazon. So you want to opt for night or weekend shifts. You want to take advantage of overtime. You want to refer a friend for the referral bonus. You want to stick with it during peak seasons, once again like Christmas or Black Fridays. You want to use commuter benefits if your site offers them. And if you're looking to move up, Amazon also offers internal training programs and promotions to roles like process guide, team lead, and area manager if you apply internally. And so that's the full breakdown of Amazon warehouse pay in the UK. Whether you're looking for part-time work or long-term income with growth potential, Amazon offers competitive rates and benefits across the country. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you've worked at an Amazon warehouse before. Don't forget to subscribe for more job breakdowns and career tips. Thanks for watching.